Hey there! Today we have a unique problem to tackle. The problem we're facing involves finding a way to restrict certain functions in R for exam purposes. We want to allow functions related to distributions like qt, dt, point, and rt, but block all other functions to ensure a fair exam environment. It's definitely an interesting challenge, but we have a solution in mind that might just do the trick. Let's dive into it. The solution to our problem involves implementing a sandbox environment in R that enforces a specific list of allowed functions. By masking all functions provided by core, our packages except for the allowed ones, we can create a controlled environment for exams. This approach ensures that students can only access the designated functions while preventing any unauthorized functions from being used. The key lies in strategically filtering out potentially problematic functions and setting up a firewall environment to restrict access. It's a clever workaround that aims to maintain a level playing field during exams. In summary, we've explored a creative solution to the problem of restricting certain functions in R for exams. By implementing a sandbox environment that allows only designated functions related to distributions, we can ensure a fair testing environment for students. Remember, when in doubt, always think outside the box, just not outside the sandbox. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!